Welcome, lovers of food and life. This is a channel dedicated to all things food, travel and culture, mainly food. My name's Jen and it's great to have you here. So a while ago I put out a video asking you for any recipe request that you might have. Gloria replied and asked, please can I have an interesting vegetarian meal using potatoes and an avocado? So when I first got her message, I was like, ooh, and then I was like, ooh, because it suddenly occurred to me, potato latkes with an avocado and tomato salad. So here we go, a super simple recipe that you can try at home. This one's for you, Gloria, and everyone else. Hope you enjoy. To get our potato latkes started, we're going to peel and grate 2 potatoes. And this is the important step. You want to put them into a super clean kitchen cloth and squeeze as hard as you can to remove any excess moisture from the grated potato. Then place in a bowl with beaten egg, flour, salt, black pepper, and I like to personally add a touch of cumin. Then combine to ensure all ingredients are mixed well. Then add your oil to a pan and then add your potato latke mixture in spoonfuls. And I like to use a spoon to flatten and shape the mixture slightly. At this point you can decide how thick or thin you would like your latkes. Once they start to brown around the edges, take a spatula or a slotted spoon and turn your latkes in a way that's more elegant than I did. Okay, so continue to allow them to cook. While they are cooking, onto our salad. This is a mixture of avocado, tomato, red onion, and then I just mix that with lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper. Then we take our latkes off the heat and drain on kitchen paper. Okay, time to serve. Take your latke and top with your salad. It may get a little messy, but I decided to clean it up for the sake of the internet and then finish with a little bit of salt, cracked black pepper and a drizzle of olive oil. So there you have it, potato latkes. So I've got my latke here and I'm ready to give it a try. That is really good. That is really, really good. The freshness of the salad works really, really well with the latke. Oh, that's delicious. So hold on. Also, do excuse the light shifting in and out. Anyway, so there you have it, potato latkes with an avocado and tomato salad topping. And do give it a try and let me know what you think. A perfect, super simple lunch option that you can try at home. If you have any questions regarding this recipe, please leave your comments down below. And if you do have any other recipe requests, please do let me know too. I'll see you very, very soon. Until then, merci, imela, asante sana. Recipe requests, and if you do have any other recipe